The wind that whispers through the trees, a language ancient on the breeze. The brook it laughs a silver tune beneath the watchful eye of the moon. The leaves they chatter secrets deep, while shadows dance and softly creep. Mountains hum their steady song, the earth has sung it all along. Oh, the sound of nature calls, echoes rise and gently fall. A symphony of life so free, a melody for you and me. The thunder roars a mighty cry, while clouds paint stories in the sky. The raindrops drum a quiet beat, their rhythm makes the world complete. A cricket chirps its tiny tune, the wolf howls lonely to the moon. Together all their voices blend, a harmony that has no end. Oh, the sound of nature calls, echoes rise and gently fall. A symphony of life so free, a melody for you and me.